In the library, you find all the videos, images, and files that you've uploaded to the system. It is both videos and files uploaded directly to the library, but also the standard images that you added to the account under configuration and or pictures added to courses and channels on the account. This listing shows the file's current name, the keywords descriptions of the file, its type, length, size, where used, and it also has the original name you uploaded it with. If you mark a box next to the left of a title, you get two extra buttons, the edit and the delete button. If you want to edit the button, you just go to the name and you edit what you want. And um, we recommend that you add a description, the keywords, because this is what it's searched for. It also means that if you have a public platform, then the Google will use this as alternative text for pictures, images, etc. Um, if you want to delete a file, you just go in and you press delete. Please note that you might have to look at whether the file is being used somewhere. You cannot delete a file that is used, so you have to go in, look up where a file is used, and then you replace that picture, and then you can afterwards delete it. Please click on the question marks to get further details about how to upload files, and you can always press the chat icon in the bottom right corner to chat to us if you